Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how I cook egusi soup with grilled goat meat. Very yummy, everyone. So keep watching, don't go away. And if this is your first time, you are highly welcome. Let's dive into it. So to start, on a clean pot I transferred my goat meat that is already washed, followed by stockfish and snail. Then I add salt to taste, ginger to taste, seasoning to taste, freshly chopped onions to spice up the goat meat, and some blended yellow chili pepper to taste. Then I will take a turning stick and mix to combine. After mixing to combine, I will allow this to simmer on a low heat or low flame for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I will take a very clean turning stick, gently flip the goat meat to the other side to allow the ingredients or seasoning to get into my goat meat. Doing this makes it very tasty, everyone. Allow to simmer for 5 minutes again. After 5 minutes, I will add the quantity of water I want to use to cook my delicious egusi soup, everyone. So I will allow this to cook again for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the goat meat is ready. I will transfer this to my grilling pan, everyone. Keep watching. Thanks so much, Jenny subscribers, for your wonderful support. And don't forget to watch the ads, everyone. Support this channel by watching the ads. All the ads display, please do watch it and stay connected always. Okay, so I'm going to grill this off camera. So after that, on a clean pot, I add my palm oil after it gets hot. Next, I add my freshly chopped onions and stir on a low heat for 2 minutes. Everyone, make sure your flame is on low heat. Next, I'll add some locust beans, dry locust beans, follow with crayfish, and continue to stir on a low flame, everyone. Keep watching, don't go away. Watch all the ads. Please, if you watch my video up to this point, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever new videos are updated on this channel. Alright, so after that, I will cover it for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes, continue to stir until you get this consistency. Next, I'll add some seasoning to taste and continue to stir to combine. Then, after I got the consistency that I want, that is dried enough, I covered on a medium flame again for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it's dried enough. The next thing I do is to add my blended egusi or blended melon seed, and then begin to stir this on a very low flame. Stay on a low flame for 15 minutes, everyone. Continue to stir this. Do not leave it, because if you do, it's going to burn. I believe you do not like this taste of a burnt soup. After 15 minutes, I add my meat stock or beef stock and mix to combine. Hello, thanks so much, Jenny subscribers, for your wonderful support always. And if you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks so much for returning. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when new videos are updated every week. So at this point, I just added my dry fish. After adding my dry fish, I will cover it to cook on a medium flame, and after that I'll continue to stir to combine. So you see what the egusi soup, when you fry egusi soup for 15 minutes, it gives you this consistency. And at this point I just added my stockfish that is already cooked, and I will cover this to boil on a low heat for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes I opened and continue to stir with my turning stick to combine. Our egusi soup is coming out very delicious, everyone, and I love this consistency. At this point I will add my grilled goat meat. Have you tried egusi soup with grilled goat meat before? If you've not, give it a try after this video. You will love it. Please don't forget to come back to this video and give me your comments at the comment section down below. Please do that. If you watch my channel or my videos, thanks so much for watching. So after adding my goat meat, I mixed, combine, and allow it for 2 minutes. After then, this goat meat egusi soup is cooked with bitter leaf, so I'm just adding my bitter leaf. Oh man, look at that, it's super delicious. I can't wait to have it already. This soup can be eaten with any swallow of your choice: eba, samo, amala, or flour. The choice is yours. So our egusi soup with dried goat meat soup is ready. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, everyone, and bye for now.